filling up my Christmas list with gifts for girls and boys. There's frilly things and candy dreams and every kind of toy. The tree is set up twinkling with my favorite kind of lights.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Kravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed and today we're doing another Trader Joe's grocery haul. I did this last year and I can't believe it's been a whole 12 months since I visited that store. This year, just like last year, I've brought a whole bunch of Christmas goodies home and I'm going to share these with you. Before I go any further, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get right into all of the goodies. The first thing I got is this amazing gingerbread box. Now this has everything that you need to build a gingerbread house, and my husband bought this for his boss's kids and I'm sure they're going to simply love this. I have a few other bags here. Let's see what we got. Just like last year, I actually brought back the mini dark chocolate mint stars. Now what I tried to do was not bring back stuff that I already got last year. But the color of the box is totally different. So I'm not sure if these are going to be any different than last year's, but they are incredibly delicious. One of my favorites, cheese sticks. Now usually when I do a Trader Joe's grocery haul, I buy all of the groceries and I bring them back home so I can share them with you. But I was smart this time because I love cheese straws so much. I bought 2 boxes and I ate one in the car on the way over here. These are Stroop waffles. I didn't even know you get them here. When we visited Amsterdam a couple of years ago, these were all the rage. They are available all over Amsterdam. And so I saw this tin and I just had to pick one up to enjoy over the holidays. These ones are called an oatmeal and cranberry dunkers. These are super cute. They're drizzled with a little bit of white fudge on the top. And I think I'm going to take this into my work. It's a large container and I'm sure all of my co-workers will be very happy. I tried not to repeat all of the JoJo's I got last year. So this time I got chocolate enrobed sandwich cookies. Now this is a bunch of different type of cookies. I can see dark chocolate, I can see milk and dark chocolate, and a green cookie as well. This is going to be great when you have holiday entertaining and you have people that come over for a visit. Pop this into a tray and serve it with some tea and some hot coffee and you have an instant celebration right here. These I got last year, if you remember my last holiday haul. These chocolates have different flavors and they make great teacher's gifts. So I just had to get them again this year. My kids have different teachers this year, so they're not going to know that they got the same thing again. And these just wrap really well and make incredible gifts. One more bag. Ugh, this one's heavy. All right. I picked up a box of black mission figs. My husband loves figs. I've never had mission figs before. I think I'm going to turn this into a very delicious Christmas cake without alcohol. It's going to be a mission fig cake. I'm not sure if I'm going to have any time to do it over the holidays, but I might make this in January, so you can watch out for that video. These are my favorite, dark chocolate almonds. The only complaint that I had was that this bag was way too small. If they had a bigger bag, I would buy it. And right here you have the famous cookie butter, but this one comes with a cocoa swirl. And I think that I can see my son behind the camera. He's already salivating, so I know that he's going to be all over this one. Another treat for my son. These are Scandinavian tidings, they're called. They're soft and chewy gummy candy. Now if you've had any kind of gummy candy before, you know they're delicious, but trust me, these ones, they were actually sampling them at the store, so we tried them and then we bought them. They are so juicy that they taste absolutely delicious. I went with some friends of mine to Trader Joe's and they picked up a couple of bags and I regret that I only bought one. But my son's going to enjoy this. If he saves any for me, I don't know. This is a roasted tomatillo and mango salsa. During the holidays, I love to pick up some things that I can use as really quick entertainment snacks, and this is going to be great with some tortillas. And another one for entertaining, olive tapenade. I love olives. This was like super cheap. It was like $2 or $2.50, and so this is going to be great on some toast. Triple ginger cookie thins. Can I have a holiday without these? These again are great served with some coffee or tea and perfect for last minute guests that show up. And finally, didn't actually buy too much this time. Last year, if you remember, I got snowflake pasta and I actually made it over the holidays. But this year I wanted to get something different. So I picked up these striped garganelli pasta. This is organic Italian artisan pasta. But what I love about it is that it has a little candy stripe in it. So it's absolutely perfect for the holidays. I hope you enjoy this little mini haul that I brought together. Over the holidays, I'm hoping to go to Trader Joe's again. I'll try and do another grocery haul. Please let me know in the comments below what you're looking for. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends so that I can make more of them. And ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, I am running a giveaway on my channel till the end of the year. This includes a box full of my favorite ingredients, including a Kravings apron and a mug. So all you need to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Kravings and you will be entered automatically for your chance to win. All of the details are in the description. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy holidays. Bye.
This happy town, good tidings fill the air. 'Cause everyone knows through the fallen snow, a sleigh will soon appear. I'm filling up my